And where is the rest of the student? Only 5 students. And Kaz, can you hear me? Hello, Kaz, Musab. Hello.
सर मैं इंटरेस्ट नहीं है
What? Can you repeat, please?
इंटरेस्ट नहीं है
क्या नहीं है? फिर से बोलो. Your voice is breaking. Musab, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, so don't forget Musab or Kaz, either you two. Don't forget to send me the screenshot of the people who are present in our class. Whenever there is an end of the lecture, na, send me the on my WhatsApp number the total number of students who are presented here. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
So, okay, before I move on, okay, let me explain you something. Okay, according to your this reduction of syllabus, okay, in your logic chapter, I hope you all remember the logic chapter, right? Na?
Yes, sir.
In the logic chapter, the exercise, the last exercise 1.5, which I already told you, is not, it's not currently in your syllabus. It's totally reduced. Okay, and similarly, I already told you about the matrices. So, okay, again, let me show you the matrices. I think some questions are remaining. Let's cover them and then move on to the very next chapter. Yesterday we are solving one problem, remember, in matrices. Musab,
Yes, sir.
yesterday we were doing some problem, right now? One problem related to matrices.
Matrices.
So does anybody tried at home the rest of the sum? Just a second.
Page number 51, sir.
What? Pardon?
Page number 51.
Page number 51, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Here it is. So I think we were solving this question number 4. So I need your help because we were on the half road of to solving this question. So let's continue because and it's not like that I'm guessing. I'm giving you 100% surety that this question is definitely gonna ask in your examination. So you can mark this question as important.
Okay, sir.
So if you have guys taken the screenshot, can you guys tell me what was the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A क्या था? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? Matrices.
सर रो में 0 3 -2
0 3 -2 सेकंड रो में
रो में -11 1 -1
-11 1 -1 एंड द लास्ट रो
सर वो समझ नहीं रहा 0 लिखे कि क्या लिखे
दैट्स गोना बी डेफिनेटली a 0 ही ओके 0 एंड द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 0, 0.
3.
Okay. Okay. That was a 0. Definitely, I do remember that. Okay. So now, okay, now we are going to solve this part. A multiplied by adjoint of A. So what is A? As I said, the A is nothing but this. Your question. So 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, and 0, and 2, minus 2, and 3. Okay. And one more thing, see, I am not sure about these elements because you guys helped me with these elements. So I'm just hoping that we'll get the right answer of this. And just let's pray for it. I hope you guys cross check this. आप लोगों ने घर पे इसको क्रॉस चेक किया था ना? मुसाब तुमने चेक किया था ना घर पे वापस सारे जितने भी कोफैक्टर है सब राइट है या नहीं?
सर मेरे को वो -2 वाले में ही लग रहा था बस।
-2 वाले में तो डेफिनेटली अगर हमारा आंसर रॉन्ग आया so just cross check because I do remember what is the answer. Okay, so let's multiply this. Okay, so how to multiply two matrix? Do you remember? Everybody remember how to multiply? See, 1 multiplied by 0. So I am just writing each and every step for you. So 1 multiplied by 0 plus -1 multiplied by -11. Remember, it's row multiplied by the column. Okay, when this row multiply with this column, you will get one element of a matrix. When again that row is multiplied by the another column, you will get the second element of the matrix. And similarly, when similar row is multiplied by the third column, you will get the third element. Okay, till here got it? So
Yes, sir.
-1 multiplied by -11. So -1 multiplied by -11. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by 0. Okay, till here it's fine? Yes, it's fine. Similarly, 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, -1 multiplied by 1. -1 multiplied by 1 plus. Remember, there is always a plus sign between these multiplications. And last but not the least is 2 multiplied by 0. 1 multiplied by -2 plus -1 multiplied by -1. Okay, and last but not the least, it's 2, 3 is 6. So 2 multiplied by 3. So let me guess an answer here. This and this. There is a huge chances that 2, 3 is 6, and I think it's wrong. The answer is coming is wrong. You may be right, Musaf, because you were saying about -2. Remember?
Yes, sir.
When I solve these things now, I think I'm getting the wrong answer because it's -1, and it will become +1, and this even if we solve this, we will not get 0. According to me, these elements should be 0, and this is coming perfect. So yes, we are definitely going to get a wrong answer from this. Okay, so at least see, you guys found these elements, right? So I hope you guys can even identify what is the wrong part here. When you were finding that elements now, I want you to just cross check it. Okay, not right now. You can do it at home, your home also. I'm just telling you how you can solve the further part, means how you can multiply the further matrix. So again, this 3 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by -11 plus -2 multiplied by 0. Okay, till here everybody got it? Similarly, this second row will multiply with the second column. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by 1 plus -2 multiplied by 0 Similarly, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by -1 plus -2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Similarly, the last part. So this third row will multiply each and every column of the second matrix. So 1 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by -11 plus 3 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 3, 0 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0 and last 1 multiplied by -2 plus 0 multiplied by -1 plus 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, all you have to do is just solve it. Okay, so let me help you. What should be the answer? I'm directly writing that answer only. So answer should be 11. Okay, 0 0. Definitely there is some problem here. Okay, so I want you to just identify 0. What do you think? It's 2.
Yes sir, -2 नहीं है.
But even if it is a 2, then still we are getting wrong answer because it should be 0 here. So what do you think? So there is one more mistake, I think. Right now? Right. And even if, okay, let's see, there might be chances that there is some number should appear. Okay, so let's find if there is some number or not. How we can find out? We can find out with the help of this part. Okay, it says find the determinant of A. Do you know how to find the determinant of A? What is A here? A is this matrix. So I will write like this: 1 3 1 -1 0 0 2 -2 3. Okay, so here how to find the determinant? First we will write the first element like this, and then we'll hide the row and column. So what is the remaining part? If I hide the row and column, so what is the remaining part here?
0 minus 2, 0, 3.
So I can directly write 0 0 -2 3. Similarly, the original sign is minus and there is a -1, so -1. And if I hide this part, so I will get 3 1 -2 3. And similarly the last part is +2. Then you will get if I put +2, so 3 1 0 0. Okay, so quickly solve it. Definitely this entire part will become 0 right now. And what about this part? This also becomes 0. See, the only part is remaining this part right now. So minus minus will become plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2. So let me solve this for you guys. Minus minus is plus. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. In the middle sign will be always minus. 1 2s are 2, which is -2. Okay. So if I solve it further, it will give you minus minus plus. So it will become 11. So yes, I am right, because first everybody just take the screenshot of this, because I am lacking in space. And it's okay if you don't, just let me finish this. Everybody is visible with this right part, right? Everybody can see now this right area.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So look at here, as it says this determinant multiply by I. Okay, so it says that determinant A multiply by I. What is the meaning of I? First of all, we already found the determinant. Determinant is 11, right? And what is the meaning of I? I is for identity matrix, right? So identity, since the question we have is 3 by 3 kind of a thing, kind of a matrix, right? So our identity matrix is also belongs to 3 by 3 pattern. So what is identity? Identity means diagonally you have 1, the rest of the elements are 0. So whenever you find identity in your question, that means the diagonally it will be 1, diagonally only this pattern, okay, not this diagonal. This diagonal will be always 1 and the rest of the element is 0. Okay, so if I multiply 11 with this matrix, this is called scalar multiple. Okay, these small topics are covered in your 11th standard. Okay, so scalar multiple is what means this individual number will multiply each and every element of this matrix. So 11 ones are 11, of course, 11 zeros are 0, 11 zeros are 0, 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 zeros are 0, 11 zeros are 0, 11 zeros, and 11 ones are 11. So your new matrix will be like this. So since we got the answer like this, and definitely, as I told you, something is missing or something is fishy here, this part. So I want you to please recheck something with your cofactors, which making some effects here, because answer should be like this. Okay. So I want you to please try or take this question as a homework. Okay, please solve it very carefully. Okay, and
Okay,
if
sir.
you guys not able to solve it, take it. So I have to solve it for you guys. Okay, from
Sir,
start to end.
सर 1.3 का आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कराए थे
1.3
3 का
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या है? जस्ट एक बार डिक्टेट करो.
राइट कन्वर्स इनवर्स एंड
Yes, I did.
पॉजिटिव
Yes, कराया था.
कराए थे
Okay, only 7 students is there. Where are the rest of the students?
और सर 1.4 में कोई भी क्वेश्चन ओमिट नहीं है ना
No, every question is there. I think in exercise 1.3 there is a dual question, right? To find the duals,
Yes.
that part is omitted.
यस
Question related to dual is omitted. Exercise 1.5 is omitted. Okay. Now here, till here we have completed our matrices chapter. So just look very carefully what is there and what is not here. Your question number 5 and 6 has been eliminated. Okay. Question number 5 and question number 6. If you guys have a hard copy of your textbook, please just cross this part. Okay. This entire question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 has been eliminated from your syllabus. Everybody done that?
Yes, sir.
Only Musab is replying. What about Kaz, Amar Ansari, Mohammad Talib, Samad?
हाँ सर
Have you guys ticked or eliminated that part in your textbook?
कौन से ये 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर
5 and 6 should be. I'm very much sure that you are watching TV and just putting that online lecture inside.
नो सर
No, sir.
Then why are you asking? I already told you. Now I repeated now.
सर आवाज
Okay.
कभी कभी कट आती है ना
Okay. So I am repeating again. Question number 5 and 6 has been eliminated from your syllabus.
ओके सर
Now let's move on to the miscellaneous exercise 2. Okay, as per the syllabus says, okay, this question number 1 is not eliminated. This is for your homework. Question number 2 is also from your homework. Okay, and if I talk about this, for time being, just cross it. Any question related to A inverse or anything like that should be cross it. So from question number 3 to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, just mark only one question here. Okay, this is according to me. Okay, there might be a chance that this question may ask in your examination. There might be a small chance, 11 and 12. Okay, but I'm not sure. But since I'm not sure currently, okay, if this question is important as your syllabus, because rest of the questions are already eliminated in your examination. Okay, so there is a very slim chance, because if it is going to come in your examination, that definitely Nazma Miss will continue with that. Okay, Nazma Miss वो तुम्हें teach कर देगी, so don't worry. Okay.
नाज़मा मिस कब से ले रहे फिर
I don't know about that. Okay, so directly jump to the application of matrix in page number 54 and listen very carefully what is there and what is not. In the very first exercise 2.3, exercise 2.3, 1, 2, 3. The entire exercise has been eliminated. The entire exercise has been eliminated. Everybody copied?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Everybody na? Aris, Talib, Samad, Kaz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So just cross it because I think it's a huge good news for you. But since there is only 5 questions I can see. And then the miscellaneous 2B is also eliminated from your syllabus. It's not there in your syllabus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think now you can assume that matrices is really simple. It's very small and very simple because the question which I just taught you, okay, and definitely this question I'm talking about is the most important question in your entire syllabus. So as you can assume that I think in section D, this question is definitely gonna come right now.
Yes, sir.
So mark it as very, very, very important question. Okay, everybody took the screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
And as I
Yes,
said
sir.
earlier, Musab, Samad
Yes,
and
sir.
all, everybody. See, I already told you that there is some mistake. Okay, while you were guys finding the cofactor, remember I was just directly writing
Yes, sir.
yesterday. So
Yes,
I
sir.
want you to just cross check because see, this is very important. Okay, just look carefully and try to remove your errors and just find it. You will definitely gonna solve this. At least you guys know how to solve it ना. तुम लोग को पता चल गया ना कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं between two matrices.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you already now know what is the meaning of this identity, and what is the meaning of this scalar multiple. When there is a single number multiplied with the entire bracket is called scalar multiple. So just don't get confused with the words, right?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So everybody took the screenshot
Yes, sir.
because maths is gonna be a scoring. Okay, I don't want anybody to lose marks, especially in maths. This is gonna be a scoring. You can easily get 90 marks in this math, and this will definitely boost your percentage. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Somebody saying.
बोर्ड एग्जाम फरवरी में होएगा या लेट होएगा?
Board exam is definitely going to be delayed by 1 month till now, as expected. It will be delayed till 1 month. यानी 1 महीने का extension और postpone तुम लोग को मिलने वाला है. Okay, and please guys, those guys who are, I think according to me, see, there is many people who are absent today. I can only see 6 students, right? Okay, please don't risk with your career because now things are already up to the mark, not totally, but things are getting normal. People are finding a way to live with this COVID. Okay, and those who are waiting for this new education policy, right? Okay, this is none of our concern. Okay,
Okay,
so don't wait for that. We don't know when it comes. That definitely going to happen. Okay, but please, you guys don't wait for that. Okay, now let's move to the very next chapter, which is your favorite one, I think, trigonometry. Do you guys love trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
You're saying right now. Okay, so try to understand the trigonometry. The very first chapter, not first chapter, it's the third chapter, and the first exercise we are going to perform is based on solution, principal solution, and your general solution. As you can see up in your solved examples, let me show you how to find the principal solution. Cos theta, general solution, no. And believe me, trigonometry is going to be very easy chapter. You will definitely love this chapter. Okay, so here is the very first question. First question says, find the principal solution of sine theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Okay, so how are you going to solve this question? Okay, so let me show you. Okay, see, there are tons of formulas when we talk about trigonometry. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
So many formulas, but I want you to remember only one pattern to solve all kind of question in trigonometry. Okay, so I am drawing here a quadrant. Okay, so this is your first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, I don't think I need to tell you about this. In the first quadrant here, everything is positive, right now? Everybody knows at least that part. Aris, Musab.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm. So in the first quadrant, everything is positive, right? And the second quadrant, okay, I think this y is positive and x is negative, right? In the very third
Yes.
quadrant, everything is negative, right now. And the fourth quadrant, y is negative, but x is positive. Okay, at least this is the basic part which you guys already heard from the 8th standard, 9th standard and all, right now. Okay, now remember one more thing. Take it. Every angle value in here as alpha and it will be positive. Okay, anything which lies on the first quadrant is always a positive value. Okay, now what about the second quadrant? In second quadrant, sine and cosec, sine and cosec will always be positive. And formula, and there is one formula for this. So you just remember the formula will be pi minus alpha. Similarly, in third quadrant, tan, tan and cot is positive and their formula is pi plus alpha. And the last, cos and sec is positive and their formula is 2 pi minus alpha. Okay, so if you remember this quadrant now, okay, you will definitely, you will easily solve each and every question related to principal solution, general solution, even in your mouth. Okay, you can orally solve each and every question. For example, in the very first question, it says find the principal solution of sine theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Okay, so tell me guys, do you guys know the ratio table? Is everybody is very much concerned with the ratio table? If you guys do not know about the ratio table, I want you to just look at the ratio table from the internet and anywhere else. Okay, and give me the detail that when the 1 upon root 2 is come in the case of sine, at what angle 1 upon root 2 will come in the case of sine?
Sine 60, sir.
60. Sine
No,
60.
it's 45. So sine 45. So sine 45 means pi by 4. How do I know that it's pi by 4? It's definitely pi means 180. And this is 4. If I cut now, I will get 45. So as I said, on sine 45, I will get 1 upon root 2. Okay,
Yes,
till
sir.
here, everybody understood? Okay. So here the thing. Okay. So as you can see, this is your question. Since we are already running out of time, so I'll be very, very fast and try to be very fast with you. First of all, there are, okay, in how many quadrants you can find the sine? I think only in second quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
And in the first quadrant, there is every function. In the first quadrant, every function is positive. Means you will find sine, cos, take it,
Tan.
tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Every function is available here, trigonometry, and they all are positive. So all you have to do, this pi by 4 is nothing but alpha. All you have to do is just take two formulas. So definitely here is the formula is only alpha. And what just I say right now that what is alpha? Alpha is your pi by 4. So you just got your one answer. Your one answer is pi by 4. And what about the another answer? Since it says find the principal solutions of sine theta. So you got one solution. What about the another solution? So where is the sign positive except first quadrant? In the second quadrant, Right now, in second quadrant, sign is positive. Can you see sign is there? Right now? And what is the formula here? Pi minus alpha. So I'll put pi minus, what is alpha? Pi by 4.
5/4.
Right now, just do cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by pi is 4 pi. Right? Minus pi upon 4. 4 pi minus 1 pi. How many pi? 3 pi upon 4. And you will get your answer 3 pi by 4. So do you guys know how did you find the answer?
Yes, sir.
So even if there is any type of question, will you guys able to do it? For example, let's solve one more question. Please take the screenshot of this fast.
सर ये 4 क्यों ऊपर लिया?
I just cross multiply this. Do you know how to cross multiply works? Okay. Imagine there is nothing, so there is 1. Now, do you know how to cross multiply this term?
Yes.
Got it, na?
हाँ.
I think people are very late here. Tabassum Khan. Tabassum, why you were so late?
Sorry, sir.
You're almost at the end of this session. Okay, please be don't late from next time. Okay, so everybody took the screenshot of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. सर कल पढ़ा देना इतना.
I think we
कल पढ़ा
can,
देना.
no, I think we can solve one more question. So just bear with me for one more question because there is one more lecture is there. Okay, in the very, just directly jump to the exercise. Again, solved example. Here it is. Okay, as it says, find the principal solution. Please, the person whose background noise I can hear is Amar Ansari. Your mic is on. Please turn it off. Okay. Here, find the principal solution of the following equation. Okay, and the very first question is cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. As I said, can you guys tell me in ratio table when you will get half at which angle in the row of cos theta?
Cos 60, sir.
Cos 60, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, definitely cos 60, right? So, and can you write it in a radian form? Because we cannot work in degree. So since it is 60, we can say pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
So it's cos pi by 3. Now you just got your alpha right now. So you, congratulations, you got one of your answer. All you have to do is find the another one. So can you tell me in which quadrant you will find cos?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. What is the formula for fourth?
2 pi
2 pi minus
2 pi
alpha.
minus alpha. And what is alpha here? It's pi by 3. Now again do the cross multiplication. 3 to the 6 pi minus 1 pi upon 3. 6 pi minus 1 pi. How many pi? 5 pi upon 3. Right now. So you got
Yes,
your
sir.
answer 5 pi by 3. Everybody understood how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope this is very helpful. This quadrant part is very helpful for you.
Yes.
Instead of remembering different formula, just remember this part and it will be very useful for you all. Okay, so take the screenshot of this and Musab or Kaz,
Yes,
okay, I want you both of you please take the screenshot of the student who are presenting currently. As for attendance, I read it right now and just WhatsApp me. And one more student is joined just right now. Zoya. Who is Zoya? So okay, so everybody done with the taking screenshot?
yes, sir.
Very good. So for your homework, let me tell you what is your homework. In the very first question, the rest of the questions are your homework. Okay, and in matrices, the question which we have covered till yet will be your as assignment. Okay, especially that question, that proving question. Remember? And one more thing, from question number 3 onwards, nothing will be in your syllabus. From question number 3 onwards, nothing will be in your syllabus. So it means question number 3 to 8 is not in your syllabus.
Okay, sir.
And who is Zoya in your class? And why
सर
is she
जोया वो
so late?
लंबी जो है ना,
And Nandini Konar. Zoya, why are you so late?
सर ये लोग फिजिक्स का लेक्चर ज्वाइन कर रहे थे.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, you guys,
Gandhi.
acha, you guys don't have a math lecture, math subject in your syllabus. And what about this Nandini Kumar? Nandini Kumar, why were you so late? It's almost ending of the lecture.
सर एग्जिट मार ली.
Oh, what is this?
Sir,
Okay, so
physics का lecture समझ के आ गए हम.
acha, okay. So okay, not to worry because I'm sending you the link for the physics. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, I hope you guys understood the tomorrow session of math. Okay, so see you guys for maths in the very next week. So let us start with the physics. Okay.